Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh,
I heard me.
The video.
I agree. Okay.
Hello.
Gigi.
The road not taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverge in the yellow wood, and sorry, I do not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, looked down, while as far as I could, to where it then and yonder grown, then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there, had heard them really about the same, and both that morning equally vain. In leaves no step, had called them black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing the way it is on the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages hence. Two roads diverged in the wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. The road not taken by Robert Frost.